Hello and welcome to Deepak Singh's live show. I am Sayyed Tuba and with me is the man himself, management guru Mr. Deepak Singh. Before we move forward, I must tell our viewers that Mr. Deepak Singh is the editor of Indian Observer and also he is the president of Youth Organization, Association of IMT Study Centers. He is also the president of Modern Institute of Management as well as Modern Institute of B.Ed Studies. Besides this, he is the management trustee of Sri Harbhajan Singh Foundation Trust and also he is the vice president of All India Small and Medium Newspaper Federation. और आज के शो में मिस्टर दीपक सिंह आपकी पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स का प्रोमिनेंट सोल्यूशन बताएंगे। तो अगर आपकी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आपको परेशान कर रही है तो आप स्क्रीन पर फ्लैश हो रहे नंबर्स पर कॉल कर सकते हैं और मिस्टर दीपक सिंह यहाँ पर आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन बताएंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का हमारा शो। सर, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट के बारे में। तो सबसे पहले आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए कि एग्जैक्टली सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट होता क्या है।
See, the self-management is managing yourself, and there's a saying: a person who can manage himself, a person who can conquer himself, can conquer the world.
Definitely.
And you can say our body is a temple of God.
Okay.
And our body is a temple of God, and God wants us to do all the magnificent and excellent things. That's why we are born here for.
Okay.
Now, there are other forces, you can say. The God is also there, the evil is there, the devil is there, or Saturn is there. या जो भी कहते हैं. Now that force does not want you to grow.
Okay.
Now the other force does not want you to grow. The other force wants you to be discouraged. And on the other side, we have the God inside us, which wants us to take out the divinity and take out all good things what are there in us.
Okay.
Now, self-management is the most important objective of self-management is that whatever you do, there has to be a reason behind it. In the sense, you must have seen a person looking for the furniture and the cookies are lying in the shop. And the person is having a look at the furniture and having the cookies, but the cookies are not meant to be meant to have that time.
Yeah.
But he is having around and having cookies, which he is having just like that. And when the lunch will come, he will not have the urge to have the food.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Because in the sense, whatever there is, there has to be a reason of doing something. When there is no reason and you just do like that, that you are not managing the self.
Definitely.
So now I'll tell you the basic force. There are 4 creative forces.
Okay.
Now the most important is thought, then feeling, then words, and then action.
Okay.
The thoughts are the most important, which makes you or breaks you.
Okay.
Now these 4 creative forces, you have to get creative results. First is your thoughts. Now thoughts will give you the feeling. So when you have got feeling of passion, you will get passionate results. And then the words will come. And words will lead to the action. So this is how these creative forces are there with everybody of us to give the creative results.
Okay, we have also, when we are talking about self-management, we should also know what are the types. Types क्या होते हैं self-management के?
देखिए, the self-management is the managing self. There are no types of self-management. Self-management is the most difficult thing of all the things.
Okay.
Managing self is the most important, and if you can manage self, you can manage everybody in the world.
बिल्कुल.
There are no types of self-management. The most important is that you have to manage yourself.
तो क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट की? What is the importance?
See, the importance are either you are an investor or you are a gambler. Investor in the sense, when you are doing exercise, you are investing on yourself. When you have attitude of gratitude, that is again an investment. Now you are having junk food, that is not an investment, that you are gambling. Then you are having cigarettes, you are having alcoholic, whatever things which is taking you out of your path is not self-management.
Okay.
You know what in Gita, Krishna ji said to Arjun that you go towards, when he was not able to perform his duties and he was not able to perform his actions. So he said that, Krishna ji said, when he showed his godly nature, godly form to Arjun, he said all the goddesses and gods are with you when you are going towards your goals and duties. Everybody has got his or her duty. And if you are going towards your duties, but confidently,
Okay.
all gods and goddesses are with you.
Okay.
See, you don't have to hesitate the unknown future to the known God. Your unknown future, you don't have, never hesitate to trust the unknown future to the known God.
Okay.
Because people are mostly, they are having fear of the unknown, but that has to be eliminated, and whatever God has to be done, unknown future to the known God has to be lived like.
डेफिनेटली अब बात अगर हम करें पर्सनल लाइफ में, तो पर्सनल लाइफ में कहाँ तक एक सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट की इम्पोर्टेंस होती है?
पर्सनल मैनेजमेंट में फिर वही आ गई ना बात आपकी,
क्या क्या करना चाहिए एक पर्सनल?
अब वही बात आ गई, जैसे अब हमारा सेल्फ है, सेल्फ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थॉट्स, ना थॉट्स with the children, with your wife, with your parents. Now children should be taken as a source of joy. They should be taken as a source of joy. This is how you should treat them, how you should call them. Your action should be accordingly that. Now again, to your mother is a living God. Your thought should be like that. Your feeling should be like that. Your word should be like that. So the action is going to be the good.
Definitely.
Now your wife is she is behind your success. Now if you have to think like that, so this is how the chart goes on. The first is thought, then is feeling, then is action, then is words, then is action. So in everything you have to follow the chart. Now a teacher is there. If you will think the teacher is there and the teacher is not a good teacher, so the results are not going to be good. Teacher has to be taken as guru, and the same feeling should be there, and the same words, respect should be there, the action should be there, and you will get the results.
डेफिनेटली ये तो हो गई पर्सनल लाइफ की बात. अगर हम किसी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ की बात करें, एक ऑफिस में, एक फर्म में, एक किसी भी कंपनी में, सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट का क्या रोल है?
Now again in the office, whosoever is your boss, you have to trust him. You have to trust him. Your thought should be of trust and respect towards your boss, which most of the people don't have.
Definitely.
Now the thought should be like that. Again, your feeling should be towards him that you are there to learn from him, not disrespect him. You have to be passionate that okay, I learned something from my boss.
Definitely, sir. We will continue talking on this subject, but before that, we have a caller, Vikram महाराष्ट्र से. जी विक्रम, पूछिए अपना सवाल.
हेलो
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 विक्रम, सबसे पहले आप अपने टीवी का वॉल्यूम कम कर दीजिए.
Deepak ji, hi, I'm Vikram Chandak from Maharashtra.
How are you, Vikram?
I'm fine. How are you doing, sir ji?
I'm doing fine. Tell me, what can I do for you?
My question is, I'm pursuing my BBA final year. Hello?
Yeah.
I'm pursuing my BBA final year from Pune, and after that I want to go for MBA. And I heard that, hello?
Yes, carry on.
After that I want to go for MBA. Will you please suggest me which field, which specialization I have to take in after my graduation for MBA?
See,
which
now you have to. Now it has. Yeah, carry on.
Which specialization you will suggest me for my great future and my job and my good MBA?
Now, what do you have interest in? Like, what is your interest?
I'm interested in marketing.
Then you do your MBA in marketing.
Okay, but I'm very weak in mathematics because the entrance exam is based on like a CAT and all examinations based on mathematics and logistics and all complementary exams. So I want to know that how to go through that exam for MBA because I'm very weak in mathematics.
Now in mathematics, you know, the mathematics is not much into consideration in MBA entrance exam. It will be of till your 10th or 12th level. Mathematics in the entrance examinations and in your MBA is not given much, is not of that high level. It will be of that level which you had already done in your 10th and 12th.
ओके, आई होप विक्रम आपको अपने सवालों का जवाब ज़रूर मिला होगा। और मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को एक बार फिर बताना चाहूँगी कि आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में मौजूद है मिस्टर दीपक सिंह, जो कि एक मैनेजमेंट गुरु हैं। तो आपकी अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, चाहे पर्सनल चाहे प्रोफेशनल, आप यहाँ पर कॉल कर सकते हैं और मिस्टर दीपक सिंह आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन बताएंगे। हम बात कर रहे थे सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट के बारे में, कैसे एक्वायर किया जाए इसको अपनी लाइफ में।
सी द सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट कैन बी एक्वायर्ड विद द सिंपल थॉट्स and then taking action according to that.
Okay.
In your simple listening, now I'll tell you, when you do exercise, when you do your sleeping pattern accordingly, when you are praying, all these things are your investments which are making you strong. And whenever you are doing all those things which are not taking you towards your goals or which is not keeping your body fit, because God is, we having the representation of God, we are a representative of God. So now we have to show that we are a good representative of God.
Okay.
This how can we show? By keeping our body fit. So how can we keep our body fit? We can keep our body fit by all those activities which makes us happy, so that we can do more and more work for what we have been born for.
तो कैसे पता करे कोई कि हाँ भाई मैं अपनी लाइफ में बिल्कुल मैनेज नहीं हूँ, मुझे कुछ I have to do something about it.
ये आपको तभी पता लगेगा that whenever you are not passionate towards your